Hi, I'm Dustin with 1 Hour Air Fort Worth. In the wintertime, a drafty house with cold spots can be very uncomfortable. Of course, replacing the weather stripping around doors and windows is very important to keeping a sealed home. Drafty homes can also be a result of improper insulation, uneven insulation, or insulation that has been removed. Permanently fixing a drafty home begins with energy efficiency testing to pinpoint problem areas. To get started, call the experts in home comfort at 1 Hour Air Fort Worth.